Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve a mathematical puzzle. There are 9 boxes given which are arranged horizontally and vertically in the form of rows and columns. Each row and column have 3 boxes. Among each two of these boxes there is a mathematical operation like plus, minus, multiplication and division. And each row and column is equal to a particular number. We have to insert the natural number from 1 to 9 in these boxes in such a way that the equations must be satisfied. Keep in mind, we have to insert the numbers 1 to 9 and no number can be repeated. So let we move toward the solution. First of all, keep in mind that the operation obey the rule of Demas. That's mean we first perform division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So let we look over the first row. First row between these two boxes is multiplication and then subtraction, and this is equal to a very high number 68. It means this product must be greater than 68. So from 1 to 9 the only two numbers whose product is greater than 68 are 8 and 9. So let me write here 8 and 9, and that's product is 72. That means in this box we have to write 4. 8 and 9 have two options, whether 8 is in first box and 9 is in second box, or 9 is in first box and 8 is in the second box. Let we see the first column. This expression must be equal to 7, and if here is 8 and here is the product of two numbers, and if we choose the least two numbers 1 and 2 and write over here, then 8 minus 2 will be 6. So this equation is not going to satisfy. So we just interchange the place of 8 and 9. Now it looks this equation is also satisfied, and if we see the first column it looks satisfied, but we have again check what is the arrangement of 1 and 2, whether 2 is here or 1 is in this box. Now we look at the third row. If we place 1 over here, then sum of these two numbers must be 26, and there are no such two numbers whose sum is 26. So this arrangement must be interchanged. Now we have to choose two numbers whose sum is 13, and we have 6 and 7, 7 and 6. Either 7 may be here or 6 may be here. Now we look at this second column. 8 is an even number, and when it will be multiplied with any number, then the answer will be even. So product of these two numbers must be even, and if we subtract an odd number, then the answer will be even number, odd number. So 7 is not a possible choice in this box. It means we have to write 6 over here and 7 here. Now we have just remaining two numbers, that are 3 and 5, and there are two places. We can see that 4 plus 3 minus 7 is equal to 0, so 3 is placed here and the remaining number 5 is will be replaced over here, and that is the solution of this puzzle. Thank you for watching. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching.